Hello dear children, how are you all? I hope all are fine. In our last class we had a discussion on very important topic, evaluation of the limits when they given rational functions. So rational function ನಿಮಗೆ ಜನರಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Suppose a function of the form f of x is equal to g of x divided by h of x, where h of x is not equal to 0. So that kind of function what we call is a rational function. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು theory part alle kaltidevi. In this class I am going to discuss about some of important problems of rational function, then how to evaluate that kind of problems. This is clear? Just remember in our previous class, so when they given the function of the form f of x is equal to h of x g of x divided by h of x, provided h of x is not equal to 0. So when x tends to a, limit as x tends to a, g of x divided by h of x, ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೇಸ್ 1 ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಕೇಸ್ 3 ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಾಷನಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. This is second main problem. Evaluate the following limits. Evaluate the following limits. First problem ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Limit as x approaches to 2 or x tends to 2 of 3x square minus 6 minus 10 whole divided by x square minus 4 ಇದೆ. So what we have here, 3x square minus 6 minus 10 whole divided by x square minus 4. How to evaluate this kind of limits we discuss here. Write the solution for first one. Let take the given limit as L. Let L is equal to limit as x approaches to what? 2 of 3x square minus 6 minus 10 whole divided by what we have here? X square minus 4 ಇದೆ. X square minus 4. Suppose if I replace x is equal to 2 in the limit, that becomes 3 into 2 square minus 2 minus 10 whole divided by 2 square minus 4. 2 square minus 4. So this becomes 3 into 2 square. So 2 square is 4 minus 2 minus 10, that becomes here minus 12 whole divided by 2 square is 4 minus 4. So what we are left with here, L is equal to 3 4s, that becomes here 12 minus 12 here 4 minus 4. So what you obtained here, 0 divided by 0. This is an indeterminate form. 7 indeterminate forms are discussed ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 0 by 0 is also an indeterminate form. So ಈ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ how to evaluate the limits. So just remember previous class, whenever h of a, when you replace x is equal to a to the denominator, that becomes 0, that is h of a is equal to 0. In that case we have to take the common factor x minus a from both numerator and denominator. This is clear here. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ we have to simplify. Quadratic polynomial ಇದೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರಲ್ಲಿ. we have quadratic polynomial 3x square minus 6 minus 10 divided by x square minus 4 ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ 3x square minus 6 minus 10. So how to evaluate this polynomial here? 3x square ಆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು, this is nothing but quadratic, right? So minus 10 into 3x square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ minus 30x square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We have to find the factors for minus 30x square. First we have to find for minus 30. So minus 30 ಯಾವತ್ತು ಬರ್ಬೋದು, 10 3s 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 5 6 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 30 into 1 is 30 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. But we have to remember the middle term. So what we have, minus 6. So this can be written as 6 into 5. 6 into 5 will split ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. But the middle sign what we have here, the coefficient of x is negative, that's why we have to follow the resultant term after adding these two terms also negative. So that's why minus 6 plus 5. So, this is minus 6x plus 5x. Just find the product here. Minus 6 into 5, minus 30. X into x becomes x square. This is the method. Okay. Therefore, this becomes 3x square minus 6x plus 5x minus 10. So, from these two terms, 3x is common. If I take 3x as common, here we left with what? X and here 2. Plus, here also 5 is common. What we left there? X minus 2. Among these two terms, x minus 2 is common. We left with 3x what? Plus 5. Very good. 3x plus 5. And so, what were the denominator? X square minus 4 is it? X square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 4 can be written as 2 square. That becomes x plus 2 into x minus 2. X plus 2 into x minus 2. So, this is the case for a square minus b square expansion. A square minus b square. Therefore, L is equal to what we have? Limit as x tends to 2 of 3x square minus 6 minus 10 whole divided by x square minus 4, that can be reduced as L is equal to limit as x tends to 2 of 3x square minus 6 minus 10 can be written as x minus 2 into 3x plus 5. This is x minus 2 into 3x plus 5. Whole divided by what we have the term here? X plus 2 into x minus 2. Just observe carefully here. X minus 2 and here x minus 2 is there. So, both numerator and denominator containing x minus 2 terms. So, they are get cancelled. Then we have to replace x is equal to what? 2. So, therefore, L becomes L is equal to 3 into 2 plus 5 whole divided by 2 plus 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 5 whole divided by 4. So, this becomes 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4. So, therefore, L is equal to what was the limit? L is equal to 11 divided by 4. So, this is the method. Therefore, limit as x tends to 2 of 3x square minus 6 minus 10 whole divided by x square minus 4 is 11 divided by 4. Whenever we get the 0 by 0, in that case, we get the indeterminate forms here 0 by 0, we have to simplify the terms or take the common factors. Take a pause and note down all the things what I have written here. Now, dear children, we are moving to the next problem, problem number 2. They given here limit as x approaches to 3 of x power 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Solution for second problem. Let what they given here? Limit as x approaches to 3 of x power 4 minus 81 whole divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Okay. So, replace x is equal to 3 here. Directly we replace x is equal to 3. That becomes 3 power 4 minus 81 divided by 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 3. Okay. Then, so 3 power 4 is 81 divided by this becomes 2 into 3 square is 9 minus 5 3s are 15 minus 3. Here we have minus 81. Therefore, 81 and 81 get cancelled. We left with here 0 divided by here 9 2s are 18 minus 15 minus 15 minus 3, that becomes minus 18. So therefore we left with here 0 divided by 0. 0 by 0, it is an indeterminate form. Then how to evaluate the limits? Same thing, we have to take the common factors. Just observe here. Now, x power 4 minus 81 simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. X power 4 minus 81. ನೋಡಿ, x power 4 now I will write that as x square whole square minus 81. It is a perfect square, right? What is square root of 81 then? 9. So this can be written as 9 square. So what is simplification? Expansion ನೋಡಿ. Here x square whole square ಇದೆ. If I treat x square as just a square minus b square. A square minus b square. What is expansion? Very good. A plus b into a minus b. So this becomes x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. That is just like a plus b into a minus b. If you observe carefully, for the second term, what we have here? X square minus 9. X square minus 9 ಇದೆ. So this can be written as x square plus 9 into x square minus 9. So 9 can be written as 3 square, right? This becomes x square minus 3 square. Again for the simplification, this is nothing but x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ a minus b whole a square minus b square. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು? ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ just observe denominator 2x square minus 5x minus 3. How to simplify this term? Just observe product of first and last term, that becomes 6x square minus 5x ಇದೆ. So 6 minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 minus 6 plus 1, that becomes minus 5. So there, what are the factors here? 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3, that's it. Okay. From first and second term, what is common there? 2x is common. If I take 2x is common, here we left with x minus 3 plus 1 is common. From third and fourth term, we left with x minus 3, which implies x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. These are the factors. X minus 3 into 2x plus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? Next, therefore, what L is equal to limit as x approaches to 3 of x power 4 minus 81 whole divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. L is equal to limit as x approaches to 3. So how denominator as reduces here? That becomes x square plus 9 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 whole divided by denominator x 2x square minus 5x minus 3 can be reduces as x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Just observe here. Here we have x minus 3, also we have x minus 3, both are get cancelled. Now we are applying x is equal to 3. So this becomes 3 square plus 9. X is replaced by 3 into 3 plus 3 whole divided by 2 into 3 plus 1. 2 into 3 plus 1. Next, L is equal to simplification. 3 square is 9. 9 plus 9 into 9 whole divided by, sorry, this is 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 whole divided by 6 plus 1. This is L is equal to 9 into 9, 18 into 6 divided by 7. 18 into 6, that becomes 108 divided by 7. Therefore, L is equal to 108 divided by 7. L is equal to 108 divided by 7. This is our required limit. So this is the case. Therefore, limit as x approaches to 3 of x power 4 minus 81 divided by 2x square minus 5x minus 3, that becomes 108 divided by 7. This is our required limit. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the next problem. So here they given limit as x approaches to 2 of x cube minus 4x square plus 4x whole divided by x square minus 4. Let L is equal to, take the given limit, limit as x approaches to 2 of x cube minus 4x square minus 4, so that is plus 4x whole divided by x square minus 4, x square minus 4. So replace x is equal to 2 here. If I replace x is equal to 2, that becomes 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square minus, plus 4 into 2 whole divided by 2 square minus 4. So this implies 2 cube is 8 minus 4 into 4 plus 8 whole divided by 4 minus 4. So this is nothing but 8 minus 16 plus 8. 4 4s are 16. 4 minus 4, that becomes here 0. So total will be left with 0 divided by 0. What we have obtained here? 0 divided by 0. 0 will get 0 by 0 form. That is an indeterminate form. Then how to evaluate the limits here? We have to take the common factor from both numerator and denominator. Now, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x is there. Among these terms, if you observe carefully, x is common in each and every term, right? So then take x as first common term. We left with here x square minus 4x plus 4. X square minus 4x plus 4. So this is nothing but x into, how to evaluate this one? Simplification, x square minus 4x plus 4 is there. Product of first and last term, that become 4x square. Then what are factors for 4x square? Or first find for 4, 1 into 4 and 4 into 1, or else 2 into 2. You find 2 into 2, but the middle term is negative sign, that's why I will go with minus 2 minus 2. So therefore this becomes x square minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. These are factors. Then simplification model, x into, from first and second term x is common, we left with x minus 2. Second term minus 2 is common, again we left with here x minus 2. So this is nothing but x into x minus 2 into x minus 2. So obviously, so what were the term? X square minus 4x plus 4, this is the expansion of x minus 2 whole square. Then here we have x minus 2 into x minus 2, they are the repeated factors. They are nothing but x minus 2 whole square. X minus 2 whole square expansion is just like a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. We get the same thing here. So this term can be written as x square minus 4 is 2 into x into 2. 2ab, again 4 can be written as 2 square. We left with here x minus 2 whole square, or x minus 2 into x minus 2. And for denominator, x square minus 4 can be written as x square minus 2 square, this is x plus 2 into x minus 2. Therefore, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 2 of x cube minus 4x square plus 4x whole divided by x square minus 4, that reduces as L is equal to limit as x approaches to 2 of, write the terms there, simplify terms, x into x minus 2 into x minus 2 divided by x square minus 4, this becomes x plus 2 into x minus 2. Here x minus 2 and x minus 2 get cancelled. Next replace x is equal to 2. So, this becomes, if I replace x is equal to 2 into 2 minus 2 divided by 2 plus 2. Therefore, L is equal to 2 into 0 divided by 2 plus 2 is 4. L is equal to 2 into 0 is 0 divided by 4. Therefore, L becomes 0. 0 divided by anything is 0, except 0. 0 divided by 0 indeterminate forms agutte, but 0 by anything is 0. This is clear. So, therefore, this is a finite value, right? L is equal to 0 is a finite value, hence the limit of the function, what they given, x cube minus 4x square plus 4x whole divided by x square minus 4 whenever x approaches to 2. Whenever x approaches to 2, that value becomes 0. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now, dear students, we are moving to the next problem. They given here, limit as x approaches to 2 of x square minus 4 whole divided by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Just remember previous problem. So, previous problems only numeratorly we have this term, but denominator we have this term. Just interchange numerator and denominator. Then what is the limit? We will discuss here. Let L is equal to limit as x approaches to 2 of x square minus 4 whole divided by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Okay. Then replace x is equal to 2, what you obtain? 2 square minus 4 divided by 2 cube minus 4 into 2 square plus 4 into 2, we left with 0 divided by 0 form. Remember this problem we discussed in previous class, simplification. We obtained here 0 by 0 form. Then how to evaluate this one? Again we have to take the common factor from both numerator and denominator. Just remember previous problem, observe the previous problem, then find the factors. Then I will write directly here. Therefore, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 2 for the factors of x square minus 4 is very good, x plus 2 into x minus 2, we have discussed previous problem, and for denominator x cube minus 4x square plus 4x is there. Here the reduced form is x into, really very good, x minus 2 into x minus 2. Here these two terms get cancelled. Now replace x is equal to 2 here. So this term becomes L is equal to 2 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 minus 2. This is a 4 divided by 2 into 0. This is L is equal to 4 divided by 0. This is nothing but infinity. Anything divided by 0, that becomes infinity. Hence, infinity is not a finite value. Remember, limit exist means both LHL and RHLs are exist, and the resultant quantity must be a finite. They are equal, right? This is the thing. But here we obtain infinity. So, infinity is not a finite value. Hence, limit does not exist for this function. Limit does not exist. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the resultant quantity must be a finite value, a finite quantity. This is clear? Okay. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. Now dear students, we are moving to the next problem, problem number 5. Here they give one x approaches to 1, limit as x tends to 1 of x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. This is clear? Okay. We will discuss this problem. Let L is equal to, take the limit as given limit as L, limit as x approaches to what? 1 of x minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 over x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. X cube minus 3x square plus 2x. Okay. So replace x is equal to 1 for this function. When I replace x is equal to 1, we left with 1 minus 2 divided by 1 square minus 1 minus 1 divided by 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 2 into 1. Just replace x is equal to 1 there. Then observe ಮಾಡಿ. After simplification, this one 1 minus 2 is minus 1 divided by 1 minus 1 is 1 square is 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus 3 plus 2. Just observe here. Therefore, L is equal to what we obtained? Minus 1 divided by 0, right? Minus 1 divided by 0. This is nothing but infinity divided by infinity form. 1 over 0, infinity minus infinity. These are the form infinity minus infinity. This is also indeterminate forms. Then how to evaluate? Simplification. Just find the factors for first and second term. Now, first take the denominator of the first term, x square minus x is there. X is common here, you can write that as x minus 1. And for second term, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x is there. First take x as common here because all the terms containing x term, x into x square minus 3x plus 2, x square minus 3x plus 2. So this becomes x square minus 3x plus 2 is there. Is nothing but quadratic polynomial. What are the factors for this one? Product of first and last term. What do you obtain there? 2 is there. What are the factors for 2? 2 into 1 or 1 into 2. But the denominator, what is the middle term is minus 3. That's why you have to take minus 2 minus 1. So therefore, minus 2x minus x. Minus into minus become plus. 2 into 1 is 2 and x into x is x square. And the sum of the terms minus 2 minus x is minus 2x minus x is minus 3x. So this becomes x into x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. Simplification only. So this becomes x into first term is x is common, x minus 2 minus 1 is common, x minus 2. Simplification of what we obtained here? X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. These are simplified form. Okay. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. So therefore, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1. What we have here? X minus 2 divided by x square minus x minus 1 divided by x cube minus 3x square plus 2x becomes here x minus 2 divided by x square x into x minus 1 minus that term reduces as x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Similarly here also when you replace x is equal to directly 1, x minus 1 is there, 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything divided by 0, infinity. Again this reduces as infinity, this also reduces as infinity. For that purpose we have to take LCM. LCM for this term is very good. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 of, write the denominator, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Come to the numerator. Here x into x minus 1 get cancelled, we left with x minus 2. So therefore here we left with x minus 2 whole square. LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. What we have here, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2 is our LCM. For this term we have to multiply with this term or divide by this term. X into x minus 1 get cancelled, we left with here x minus 2. And here we have x minus 2 and here also we have x minus 2. If you have the confusion, directly you can write here x minus 2 into x minus 2. It's not a problem. Okay. Then we left it here minus 1 because this term get cancelled there. When you multiply this term by this one, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2, all will get cancelled. Here also we have to multiply our numerator, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. X into x minus 1 get cancelled, we left with x minus 2. Then simplification, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1. So x approaches to 1. So first term becomes x minus 2 whole square minus 1 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. X into x minus 1 into x minus 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. x minus 2 whole square expansion just like a minus b whole square. X square minus 2 into a is here x and b is 2 plus 2 square minus 1 whole divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Take a pause and note on all the things what I have written here. ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Next we are going to simplify the further step. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, L is equal to, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, x square minus ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. This becomes here x square minus 2 2s of 4x plus 2 square is 4 minus 1 whole divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Then L is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 ನೋಡಿ. 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Therefore, L is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3 ಇದೆ. Find the factors yourself. So, and the factors are x minus, ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು, x minus 3 into x minus 1 ಹೇಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. x square minus 4x plus 3 ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ 3x square. So 3 into 1 or 3x into x. So this becomes x square minus 3x minus x plus 3. We will have the same term there, minus 4x ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. Then from first and last term x is common, x minus 3, here minus 1 is common, x minus 3. There what are the factors? x minus 3 into x minus 1. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. These are factors. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ರಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, forget limit, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. limit as x approaches to 1, this is L. L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1. Therefore, L is equal to limit as x approaches to 1 divided by, so what we have here, x into x minus 1 into x minus 2. Now observe here, x minus 1 and here x minus 1 get cancelled. Then replace x is equal to 1. Therefore, L is equal to 1 minus 3 divided by 1 into x is 1 into 1 is 2. 1 minus 2. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 is 1 into minus 1. So, what we get? Minus 2 divided by minus 1. This is nothing but L is equal to what? 2. This is our required limit. L is equal to 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದ LCM, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಪಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಾ? ಓಕೆ. We given one homework problem. Take this as a homework problem. Limit as x approaches to 2 of x cube minus 2x square whole divided by x square minus 5x plus 6, and the limit becomes minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, x cube minus 2x square ಇದೆ. Observe ಮಾಡಿ, what is the common term? X square. If I take x square as common, we left with x minus 2, and similarly simplify this term, we get the factors as x minus 2 into x minus 3 for the denominator. X minus 2 and x minus 2 get cancelled. So, then replace x is equal to what? 2. We will get the solution. So, therefore, in this class we had a discussion about the evaluation of the limits when the given rational functions. And the next class I am going to discuss about very important theorem on limits. We discuss in next class. Thank you all.